This is Healthy Priority Organic Vitamin E Oil, and it's for skin as well as scars too. Let me open it up so you can see what it looks like. It has a dropper, and they ask you to put 4 to 5 drops onto your skin in the morning as well as night too. So I like to use it around my eyes as well as under my eyes and between my forehead and my forehead as well. I also like to dab a little around my laugh lines. I just smile way too much. But this is awesome. So let me show you what it looks like. So you just dab a little of this oil onto your skin and you rub it in. And just like that. So when I put this on at night, it's really nice because I wake up with moisturized skin as well as less creases too. You know the lines you get while you sleep? And I just really like this. This is unscented. However, they have a scented formula as well. And I just really like it. So I've been using this for quite a few days now, and I already am seeing results. So I'm very pleased. This is great to reduce fine lines as well as under eye dark circles as well. And I'm just very pleased with it. I was sent this from Healthy Priority for evaluation purposes, and I just really love it, and I think you will too. This oil is infused with jojoba oil as well as avocado oil too. And you can use this on your face as well as scars and even your hair too. All skin types can also use this. I have oily skin, but it's great for dry skin as well. They say you can use this on stretch marks, wrinkles, as well as acne too. It's supposed to give you a little bit more elasticity as well as collagen to those areas. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.